Hey tech friends, welcome back into tutorial. In this video, we are going to learn how to hide active status on Instagram or how to turn off active now on Instagram. So in this, I will guide you on the easiest and step-by-step process to hide active status on Instagram or turn off active now on Instagram. So let's dive into our video. First of all, open your Instagram application on mobile device. Now you can see here, I already opened that application on my mobile device. So inside there, now you can see how you can see that they are online and all. So go on messenger, type icon. So now you can see here, from here you can see either that they are online or not. So go back. Now you can see here profile icon is there, tap on profile icon. So inside that profile icon, now you can see 3 horizontal line is there on the top on the right side. So tap on this. So inside that, now you can see here your activity option is there, tap on this. Previous that option was here only, so from here we can change, but now they change it. So go back. So search for messages and story reply. Now we can see here messages and story reply. So tap on this. So inside that, now we can see here who can see you are online. So tap on this. So mine is turn up. So if I will do the turn on, then everyone can see that I am online and all. If you turn off this, so no anyone in can see that you are online or what. So in this way you can hide your active status on Instagram or turn up active now on Instagram. So if you like this video helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe and comment below. Thanks for watching this video.